What's up, everybody? So today's one of those days when it's very cold, it's gray, it's a little bit wet as well, and that's a day when you ask yourself why. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna ask why we bought this car, and hopefully you guys can tell me if you're thinking about getting a car like this, why you're gonna get it, and for those of you who already have a car like this, why did you get one? Alright, let's do it. A big reason why I got this car is because of this guy right here. I want to be able to take him on adventures and, you know, just do father and son stuff and really go travel, explore and do all of that together. And the car is really helpful for us to do that. Another reason why I bought this car is because most of the things that I want to do is so far away from where I live. So I usually end up driving for 10 hours or more before I get to where I want to go. So it's really cool to be able to just pull over to the side, and when you're done driving for the day, you can just pop up the roof and fall asleep. So it's about waking up rested. It's about saving money, doing what I love by living in the car, and it's about chasing my dream, which is to travel around, see everything, and hopefully have enough money at the end of the day so we can continue traveling and doing what we love. Yeah.
Okay, Ducky.
That went excellent. That was great.
Okay.
Yeah. So, why this car? Well, I bought it brand new. There is service included, there's warranty. I was able to configure it to get it just the way I wanted it, and I can trust that it works. And then it's very fuel efficient. No, all jokes aside, considering the size and the model of the car, it's efficient enough for what it actually does. Right, moving on. Alright, so if you are planning on getting a car like this, please let us know in the comments why. And if you already have one, also let us know why you bought it so we can all get wiser. I think that's it for this time, guys. I'll see you in the next one. You want to say bye?
Bye!
Yeah, that's a undramatic way of doing it. Let's go. This one.